What's up, YouTube? We back at it. It's been about 2 years since I did a video. Got my little workstation set up. Yeah, got a little armour what's it, talion? Yeah, this my baby. It's like the first RC, one of the first RCs I got back in the game with. A little basher, running through the yard, whatnot. All blacked out. Y'all see it. But yeah, I gotta replace these things. I was doing some jumps the other day. Hit one too many tumbles. Bent this thing, these drive shafts or whatever. So we're gonna yank it out. And we're gonna replace them. It's all stocked. Just got some hot racing parts in there. New servo. Bumper. Y'all see it? Seen that light at O'Reilly's. I had to grab it. Y'all see it? Schwinn. Off the bike. Works good at night. But yeah, let's do it. Let's get to it. Pull the tires off real quick. Gotta pull these out. Fury's got the original ones on there. It's a little bit different, but these are hot racing ones. I had to go through and upgrade a lot of parts on it. Stick a little 2.5 millimeter hex wrench in there. It'll come out. There it is. You gotta pull this out. It takes it's got a little pin in it to release it. You gotta just push it through. Or tap it through. One or two. But it's gotta come out of there. Brute force. Once that comes out, the little hex will come off and you can pull it out. It's gonna have another one in it. Right in the center. I don't know if you can see it. It's like right here. Just push it through. It's got another little pin in there. And voila. It's not that hard. It's not that hard. This piece here, you just push it through. Drop it back in. Put back your pin in. Actually, stick back the pin in here. Stick it in here first. Then you put the pin in. Just like that, it's locked in. So drop it back through here. Stick it back into the little drive cup. Stick your little ending piece, whatever it is, and just line it back the hole, stick the little pin back through. Put it back in. I have to get a little motivation. Stick it a little. Bring this down. Use back at 2.5 millimeter. Just screw it back on. Once it gets snug, don't over tighten it, but once it gets snug, use back a hex and tighten this back in there. Make sure there's some kind of like a little bit of play. If you get it too tight, you'll see it, you'll feel it in the steering. And voila. One dog bone changed out. Ready for another one. You just repeat the process on the other side. Stick the tire back on. And you're done. Just like that. Got these aftermarket red ionized end caps. Everything in there has to get on naturally, but I figured out a way to get them all really easy. That side's done. Alright, YouTube. If you like the video, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Anytime I post something, you'll get a notification. I got the hold up. I got a little surprise in the mail the other day. That WL toy 144001. Yeah, I'm gonna do a little build on that thing. Do a little build on this thing. Actually got two of them. I'll show you my wife's. That's what she's rocking. All pinked out. Y'all see her. Y'all see her. But you know I'm not gonna do it stock. You know, I'm gonna switch some shit up. That's just what I do. Alright, YouTube, if you like it, hit the like, hit the subscribe button. Peace.